How to recover data from lost or stolen iPhone. If your iPhone is lost or stolen, you can still recover your data using several methods. This video is a start guide to help you out through it. The first solution you can apply is use iCloud to recover data. Go through any browser in your device, then on the searching bar search for iCloud. Then go to iCloud.com on your computer or any other devices and log in with your Apple ID. Simply tap on sign in and sign into your Apple ID. In iCloud, you can access your contacts, photos, notes, and calendar directly. You can also restore files deleted within the last 30 days by navigating to Settings. The other step you can apply is make sure that you have enabled lost mode in Find My iPhone. Or you can also contact your service provider and Apple support to help you out. In this way, you can easily recover data from lost or stolen iPhone. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.